first progression is just walking on the rails. The second progression is they walk on the rails like a bear does. I'm not going to do that one. And then their feet fit in here a lot better, but they step in whatever pattern you want them to step in, and they're just stepping in and out. And then they learn to walk on the rungs. And the brain science, remember, we get information from our feet, not our seat. So every time that foot rolls over that rung, that brain's going into higher level thinking. So as they walk on the rungs, they just walk on them first. Then they can say the colors: gray, yellow, black, yellow, gold, red. They can say the colors. Then once they learn, and they're good at that, did you hear that? Good. The balance issue is no longer there. That's when you put in the academic content, because they won't be able to do it. They have to be able to balance first. And that, again, you're doing something physical, and now you're layering the cognitive on top. Sight words, for instance. So they're going to say their sight words. We, I, at, see, for. And if we tell them if they don't